Hello everyone, welcome back. So here I have a Lockback folding knife that I disassembled. This one was made in China, yes, made of Chinesium. Plastic handles, actually plastic bolsters. But I said let me take it apart and see if the guts are any good. And I'll tell you what, nice brass liners, nice steel. I did a lot of polishing on this. I cleaned it up. I gave it a satin finish. I'm digging satin finishes these days. And we're going to rebuild this into something that you wouldn't mind pulling out of your pocket. So what we're going to do is, this has a hole here, excuse me, that was where this little tab here went into. Okay, we're going to leave that exposed. And we're actually going to drill another hole right here in both of them. And then this one down here was hidden for the spring. We're going to leave that exposed. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes, which I think is going to look really cool. And then what we're going to do is we're going to glue these two pieces of wood together like so. And the mahogany part's going to be, this is mahogany, this is maple. The mahogany part's going to be the handles, and the maple part will be the bolster, and it'll be in one piece. And then you'll see all those pins exposed all through there. So that's the idea. Hopefully it comes out the way I'm envisioning it in my head. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these to the same size, same thickness, and then I'm going to glue them together. Okay, and then I'll set that aside to dry. And then I'm going to clean up these liners. So I'll be back when I get that done. Okay, so I made the blanks. They came out really nice. Got a nice joint. And this part will be the bolster, this part will be the handle scale. I think it's going to look good. It's got great contrast. But I ran into a little snafu. I drilled the holes in the liners to accept that extra pin. And while I was sanding them to clean them up, the brass came off. And I kind of had a clue when I drilled the holes. I saw bright metal instead of the brass. So these are only brass plated. So I have a decision to make. Do I finish cleaning them off and making them just steel, which is fine. Many knives have steel liners. Or do I make 2 new ones out of brass? It's not super difficult to make them out of brass. I've made them before, but it'll take a little time, so I have to make that decision. I'm not really sure what I want to do, but either way, I think I'm going to end this as part 1. I don't want to make it too long, and I really got to think on this to see what I want to do. So you're going to have to wait to part 2 to see what I decided to do. And like I always say, everyone, and I really mean, I appreciate all your views and I appreciate your comments, and I hope you're having a great day and you enjoyed this build so far. We'll see you on the next one.